Hi guys, welcome to HandyRadio.co.uk. Today we're going to have a look at the Baofeng UV-3R Plus. Here's the user's manual. The UV-3R Plus radio. A BL3, that's the model number, BL3, and that's 1500 milliamp hours battery. A belt clip. The SMA female antenna. You will also get a free headset with the UV-3R Plus. Desktop charger. The power supply unit, which comes in European style only. If you're ordering from the UK, you will be sent a UK adapter with this radio, and it has the USB connection in the back. For charging, you just need to plug it into the back of the desktop units. And lastly is the wrist strap. UV-3R Plus. It's got a relatively large display screen and the power button, the toggle switch between UHF and VHF, menu button and the volume activation key, and I'll just explain a little bit about how to change the volume later. And you have a secondary functions written on the bottom of the keys, and there's indicator light for transmitting and receiving. On the right hand side of the radio you have the speaker and microphone connection, which is the standard on all the Baofeng. You have two screws where you fit your belt clip, and on the left hand side of the radio you have a function and alarm button on top, the PTT switch, and a flashlight FM broadcast radio activation button at the bottom. And on top of the radio you have the antenna, flashlight, and the VFO and volume switch, and this is a multi-purpose, multifunctional switch.